Hello everyone. If you think AI is for tech companies, you're already behind. From my personal experience and my experience with mentored companies, AI is perhaps the single biggest self-help revolution since man discovered walking. It helps you be efficient, it helps you be effective. I have seen product managers churn out campaigns within minutes, churn out films within hours, and have a campaign that is in your inbox across millions of email IDs in a matter of minutes. That is the power of AI. For a founder, tools are available for as low as $20 a month that can completely shift the way we operate and completely shift the way we scale up our business. If you would like to understand more how AI can help you, let's speak over the weekend.